Susan, a senior registered migration agent from Ost Migration and Settlement Services. We are a team with 6 registered migration agents and in the industry for over 20 years. Considering the travel bans imposed due to the coronavirus outbreak, there are many applicants in Australia on visitor visa with the condition 8503 attached to their visas. Today I'm going to talk about this condition, some common scenarios, and how to waive this condition so you can stay longer legally in Australia and apply for other visas while in Australia. What is no further stay condition? A no further stay is a condition that can be attached to your visa. This condition prevents the visa holder from applying for many temporary and permanent visas while they are in Australia, other than a protection visa or a temporary visa of a specified kind. The most common of them is no further stay condition 8503. What does the 8503 mean to the visa holder? It is a condition that can be applied at the discretion of the case officer to a visa. In some visas, such as sponsored stream or visitor visa, it is mandatory. You cannot apply for any visas except for a protection visa. You are not permitted to stay any longer other than the dates mentioned in your visa and must leave Australia before the visa expires. Is there any way we can request to change this condition 8503? Yes, it is possible to change the condition on special circumstances and it is not automatic. You must request with supporting documents for this condition to be waived by the Department of Home Affairs. You must have compelling and compassionate circumstances. Your circumstances must be out of your control. Your circumstances must have occurred after the visa was granted. Now, how long will the department take to consider the waiver? It can take 28 days or more for the department to assess your case. It can take more time if further documents are requested, hence we need to apply earlier. If the waiver is successful, you need not leave the country and can apply for other visa in Australia. If the waiver is not successful, you will need to leave the country and cannot apply for any other visa other than protection visas. I'm now going to present a few recent scenarios. This is an applicant, Mary Thomas, whose name has been changed due to privacy reasons. And this is an abstract from the visa grant letter. Mary Thomas is on a visitor visa subclass 600. Her visa was granted on 14th of November 2018 and the visa expiry date was 28th November 2019. You will note she had no further stay condition 8503. This applicant came to Australia to live with their son. However, closer to the expiry of her visa, she had an accident which required surgery and periodical checkups after the surgery. With this condition, she could not leave the country. In this instance, we requested a waiver giving a detailed submission on the compassionate and compelling circumstances and were successful in getting the waiver. We could then apply for other substantive visa for her to stay in the country lawfully. Current case scenario. The pandemic COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, has affected many visa holders with condition 8503 and are unable to leave the country because of travel bans and flight cancellations. You can be eligible to apply for a waiver since it's a situation that is beyond your control. The Department of Home Affairs is taking a compassionate look at such cases. If you are affected by any no further stay condition and need to request for a waiver and apply for other visas while in Australia, please do not hesitate to contact us.